So now we are going to be a little fun game because, of course, you're known for your fashion Met Gala, your, all the saris that you wear, everything. So our next segment is a fashion segment, which is the Philips Garment Steamer Love for Clothes. मैं कुछ descriptions दूंगी, of course, of, Bollywood celebrities, and you have to guess that particular celebrity.
Okay.
Elegant saris and glittering kanjivarams. Always iconic.
Rekha.
Not bad. Bright smile, flowing hair, the queen of airport looks, as said by you.
Deepika Padukone.
Alia's going to guess it all, yeah. An ace producer, but also a stylist. Ek Aur Kapoor.
Ace producer, but also a stylist. Riya Kapoor.
Fashion icon of the 90s, and I have her mobile number.
Lolu.
Yeah. Cute that is, though. I think it was very cute. See that? This is your, please take the garment steamer and please
thank
use
you.
it. No, you don't have to put it on your lap.
Oh, sorry. Then what do I do? Just play?
Yeah. They'll just take a picture. Alia, you lost so much weight for your song in the saris in Rocky Rani. And I think it was very fast, the transition from Raha's birth to when you shot that song. Yeah. So was it an easy transition or how, like?
No, it was not easy, of course. Nothing is easy. But honestly, again, people will think that I'm just saying this. But while I was doing everything like as in eating healthy, I was still feeding. I was breastfeeding for a very long time. So I couldn't go on some crazy strict diet or anything like that. And I could only start working on properly after 12 weeks. Breastfeeding actually makes you burn a lot of calories. Yeah. So that I think did half of it. And then in general, my choices even during pregnancy were not like I was eating sugar every day and all of that. Like I was eating little more than I usually eat or more than I usually eat. By the end of it, I was like, no food was feeling enough for me. But my choices are naturally healthy. So I think when you make sure that the start is good, the rest of it sort of falls into place. Also, I kept strength training during pregnancy as well. Again, everybody should do it according to what their doctor said. But my doctor said that, listen,
it's very
just
good.
3 months ke baad, yoga karo, jo bhi karo, strength training karo and all of that. Just don't do any running or anything like that. Like, we wouldn't advise if you're not a comfortable runner. So I just did that. So in that sense, it's not like I came back to the size, but I lost enough weight for the saris to look lovely. And saris is such a beautiful garment that look lovely on any size.
Yeah, you looked amazing.
So I embraced that. I was not over-stressing.
So now you have added Kapoor to your name, and we Kapoor
Who has
love.
said this?
I don't know. You said Alia, but Kapoor.
I mean, okay. Anyway, it was like a gag.
Fine. So, but it's fine.
But everybody knows now.
But now then you are a Kapoor.
I'm a Kapoor and Ranveer's a Bhatt.
I think that's perfect.
You know that Raha said that.
Raha said that.
Yeah, she said Alia Bhatt, and then once she said Papa Bhatt.
Papa Bhatt.
She's
so
called
cute.
him that. Today she called me Alia Kapoor, so she keeps changing the names also.
But you know that we all love our food.
Yeah.
And you've seen the way we all eat, like when we meet.
Yeah.
So what is that one recipe that you and Ranveer both enjoy?
And the Kapoor recipe?
Yeah, any
or
food from the Kapoor Khana. But I don't think you eat any of that from what I've seen. So any recipe that you guys enjoy?
Like we jointly enjoy Chinese? Recipe I would not say, but like we just love enjoying, like eating Chinese food from Royal China.
But that he does. You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like Chinese food put together, like he and I watching a movie, Royal
It's
China.
Perfect. That's like the perfect date
night. It's
the
perfect date night. Like I look forward to those moments where it happens repeatedly on the way back from shoot because Ranveer doesn't have Swiggy on his phone. So all the ordering, even if I'm not at home, he'll tell me, can you order me this, etc. So I'll get the menu and then I have to place the order. Then we sit and we eat and it's like, it's too much fun.
Oh God, those nights are just heaven.
The best.
Yeah, so it's Royal China, great. It's time for the Jaldi 5. It's a rapid fire because we're in season 5.
Oh.
So we'll ask you a few questions and this is going to be about the Bhatt family.
Okay.
Okay, because you're a Bhatt and we want to know like who does what when it comes to the Bhatt family. Which Bhatt is the best secret keeper?
Shaheen Bhatt.
Shaheen Bhatt.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Pooja Bhatt. She'll be very good.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
She's very good.
And which Bhatt is the biggest foodie?
I think we're all foodies.
Okay.
But
Shaheen is also very...
Shaheen's also foodie, but like limited. I would say my mum and me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, I think it's
We
the
eat
Kapoor
more
effect.
range.
Yeah, like you want to experiment. maybe.
Experiment more. I mean, again, stay within the lines, but experiment a little bit more. But Shaheen and my father are like fixed. Like, I don't need 3 sabzis and 3 things.
Which bhat is the fashionista?
Pooja.
Oh, yeah.
Pooja is
has
the
a lovely-
OG fashionista.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
She truly was. Which bhat is the dominating one?
Shaheen.
Acha, not
Yeah.
you.
No.
No.
My father is like very scared. What does he call her? He calls her some principal. I got shouted by the principal again
oh,
or something.
God.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
she's the
She's assertive, I would say.
assertive. Fine. Which bhat is the party animal?
None of us.
I think none of y'all, no?
Sony, but Sony
She's
likes,
more social.
Sony
and-
likes a quick dance and all.
Because you're not. You're like sleeping now at like 9 o'clock. And
Not like we're, none of us are real party animals, but if somebody who has the spirit of like, oh, let's go do this and let's have an adventure. She's gone on her father. She's more adventurous.
she's more adventurous and fun. Okay, great. I think that was nice. She got a little insight into, the Bhatt families.